she's gonna get her first curse.
I'll curse Chelsea. So she doesn't know yet, but I'm gonna say cursed really, really loud on the next shot. I'm just gonna yell, cursed, you're so cursed. Cursed, you're so cursed.
I wanna get my ass kicked.
Who runs the world?
Girls run the world.
Hi.
Are you partying?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. What kind of party?
Balloons.
Balloon party.
Party.
What should my New Year's resolution be?
Keep your pants on in public!
I'm gonna keep my pants on in private. Ow. What up, bitches? Payton, go as fast as you can. Thank you. Thanks.
Alex, get me out. Alex, thank you so much.
Hey, do I look like Assassin's Creed in this?
Yeah.
Cool. Come on.
Otherwise nothing makes sense and you can't cut. Otherwise nothing makes sense and you can't cut. Oh damn it!
500. We beat our score. Woo.
We have to beat 500, and the whole point is you throw these balls at clowns. There's the clowns. Come on, baby. What? No! No!
Oh, why? I don't care.
It's just a game.
It's just a stupid game. I'm not even gonna try again. Stupid fun! Kill the dad! Come on!
Oh, wow, we got 400. We're not doing so good.
It's not looking good so far. I shouldn't have played this game. There it is.
You ready to play a game?
Chelsea, you nickels.
He's gonna edit this and make it look like we lost or something, even though we won both games.
No, I'll probably just edit a big zit on your head.
And now they want me to bowl a perfect strike? Ah, my life!
2019 is gonna suck.
Thought he had some good news for me.
No.
First bad news of 2019 comes from Tanner.
Yep.
Does that surprise you?
I think that's a sign.